Here's some historic manufacturing centers trivia. Subscribe. Which city is known as the birthplace of the American steel industry? Is it A, Pittsburgh, B, Philadelphia, C, Detroit, or D, Cleveland? The correct answer is A, Pittsburgh. What city in England became famous for textile manufacturing during the Industrial Revolution? Is it A, Birmingham, B, Liverpool, C, Manchester, or D, Bristol? The correct answer is C, Manchester. In which U.S. state was the first cotton mill established? Is it A, Georgia, B, New York, C, Virginia, or D, Rhode Island? The correct answer is D, Rhode Island. Which city is known for its large automobile manufacturing industry? Is it A, Miami, B, Los Angeles, C, Houston, or D, Detroit? The correct answer is D, Detroit. What city in Switzerland is historically significant for watchmaking? Is it A, Lausanne, B, Geneva, C, Zurich, or D, Basel? The correct answer is B, Geneva. Which region is known for its historical tinplate manufacturing? Is it A, Michigan, B, Pennsylvania, C, Texas, or D, Ohio? The correct answer is B, Pennsylvania. What city is historically significant for its shipbuilding industry on the Thames? Is it A, Bristol, B, Liverpool, C, Hull, or D, London? The correct answer is D, London. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.